Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for joining. Man, I could do 100 of these, right? And I'll still get the same thing. I don't think you'll get it, but that one person may not get it. I got the DJI Osmo Nano in the pocket, and I'm shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the white standalone DJI Mic 2. Hey, I'm Fish. I'm with the DJI Osmo Nano. It's the same exact camera as the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Hey, I'm Fish. I'm shooting today. You got it. This is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro in video mode. This is the DJI Osmo Nano in video mode. And what we're going to be doing is the last and final round. 4K, 60 frames per second, super night, 1/100th, over 8,000, ISO to the minimum, 100 to the maximum. I think it's like 40,000. I can't remember. And sure enough, auto white balance, scene stabilization, it doesn't make a difference if it's on daily or, sport. And of course, I forgot to mention texture -2, video noise reduction on 0. I hope you enjoyed this video of comparing both cameras side by side. Nope. Video to video. Yep. And the Action 5 first and the Nano last. You choose, you decide, you get the one you like while the camera is out there. Because down the road, you never know, there'll be another camera that'll outdate these. And have a great day. I'm Fish. I'll see you on the next one.